Welcome to Texoid. Have you ever been in a remote area with no cell service? Verizon's new satellite texting feature could be the solution. But how does it work? And is it worth using? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Verizon Satellite Texting, including how it works, supported devices, and its limitations. What is Verizon Satellite Texting? Verizon Satellite Texting is a feature that allows you to send and receive text messages via satellites when you're outside traditional network coverage. It's designed for travelers, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who needs to stay connected off the grid. Unlike standard texting, which relies on cell towers, this feature connects your phone directly to satellites in orbit, enabling communication even in remote locations. How does Verizon Satellite Texting work? When you're in an area with no cellular signal, your compatible smartphone will automatically switch to satellite mode. The phone will connect to a satellite, allowing you to send and receive basic text messages. To use it effectively, you need to be outdoors with a clear view of the sky. You can only send text messages, not calls or multimedia messages. Messages may take a few seconds longer to send due to the satellite connection. Verizon Satellite Texting supported devices. Currently, Verizon Satellite Texting is available on select devices with built-in satellite communication capabilities, including Samsung Galaxy S25 series, Google Pixel 9 series. More devices may be added in the future, so check Verizon's official website for updates. Limitations and considerations. While this feature is useful for staying connected in remote areas, there are a few things to keep in mind. Requires a clear sky, no signal in dense forests or indoors, text only, no images, videos, or voice messages. Limited coverage, not available in all locations. Check Verizon's coverage map. Is Verizon Satellite Texting worth it? If you frequently travel to areas with poor cell coverage, Verizon Satellite Texting is a valuable backup for emergency communication. However, if you mostly stay in urban areas, you likely won't need it. Conclusion. That's everything you need to know about Verizon Satellite Texting. Do you think this feature is useful? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. See you in the next video.